Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I design my 3D models for all the projects I do. Also, I'm going to show you what the CAM programming looks like in my CAD software. I use Solidworks Student Edition. It's a $100 a year program and it works really well. It can do all the CAD and CAM in the same program as well, which is really cool. But here I'm showing you the knife that I've been working on. In the last video, I showed you the mounting plate, which is right here, with the knife on it. So if we hide the knife, suppress, here we go. Okay, so this is the part I made in the last video, minus the holes, because I realized I don't need those holes there, because I can just use a hold down right here. But this is what I made in the last video, but this is what it looks like inside of the CAD software. So if we unsuppress this, you can see the knife has just a little bit of clearance around the radius here, and up top it has some clearance for cutting the blade as well. I still need to figure out how to hold down the tip while cutting the blade. But the main reason why I'm here is to show you what it all looks like. So if we go over to the cam, here's what the cam looks like. So if you select all of these, you can see these are all the tool paths I have set up. It kind of lags the computer a little bit because there's so many. But you can see all these blue lines are where it's going to be cutting, and then a lot of the green lines are rapid planes. So, or no, they're a different operation when I change the color. But these dotted lines are the rapid G00 planes. And if you don't know what G00 is, it's basically a term in the code that says go full speed on the stepper motors. So, if we go here and go to simulate toolpath, you can see here, when it runs, it shows you what the tool is going to be doing. So it basically simulates what the toolpath is going to be like on your machine. So with this operation, wait for it to pause, I'm just going around cutting away the outside. It does not show the mounting plate, but as you can see, the coordinate system right here, that is on the mounting plate. So it shows it invisible, as being invisible, but I have it zeroed on the corner so that so I can flip this guy over to the other side like this, and it will keep it zero, and I'll only have to zero on the block once, and then I can do both sides. At least that's the plan. We'll see how that goes. But I still need to cut it to thickness. But if you see here, this is the knife by itself, which I also have some cam for it, for facing and drilling. So if you look here, I still need to get it to the right thickness, because right now the stock we have is 3/8 thick. So if you look here, go to max speed, I need to drill some holes, I need to face it, and then I need to do the perimeter. Oh, I don't know why that's there. I'm not doing it that way, but oh, it's because I opened the wrong one. Hold! Okay, there we go. This is the correct one. So now if we go to cam and and simulate the toolpath. The first operation is facing it, and then you just face both sides and then drill. And I'm doing a very slow drilling operation because our end mill, when I cut the aluminum, it clogged up in the center, and I want the cutting to be a lot less demanding on our machine because it's a small machine, and chip removal isn't very good because it doesn't have fluid glue in it. So this should hopefully help. So I can pause it, vacuum out the hole, all that stuff. So it'll drill these 3 holes, which these 2 are identification. The outer ones, they're going to be using some 1/4-inch rod, and this is for a screw that will go through to hold it down. So, oops. That is the idea. So that's what it looks like for on my end when making the CAD for it. This is what I see and what I work with. So yeah. But this is kind of a new area I'm trying out, doing CAM in a assembly. I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm doing it. It's a little bit more tricky, just because of how everything's set up. It's a little bit more tricky, but not by much, and it's really helpful because you can do stuff like this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below. I hope to see you in the next video.